Kigomano kia arutani anene a thukuru cia secondary ni gitirihirwo umuthi. Arutani aya makiguithaniria maundu ngurani maria matanyitwo kugacirithia sekta ya githomo. Gatagati ka maundu maria matanyitwo kwariririo na njira ndaya ona thutha wa kigomano giki ni guteanirio kwa mutaratara wa gukurana arutwo wa NEMIS. Arutani aya makenda ministry ya githomo kuyukia uhuthiri wa mitambo ya BIOMETRICS gukurana arutwo. Thiini wa kigomano giki arutani aya ni maiguithanirie kunyita mbaru tabarira cia thirikari na makiria mitambo ya kiriu niguo gukinyaniria githomo.
Principals are going to be on the forefront to lead their schools into technological advancement so that we start having more support in the technological area so that should we ever get a shock again, we do not close learning.
Ona kuhanura uguo ni moritie thirikari gukinyaniria ugima mwega wa arutwo othe niguo gutigirira ni maramukira motungata ma urigitani uria kwagiriire.
If a school has a certain critical number of students, for example schools with 1,500 and above, really such schools will require employment of health staff to manage.
Kigomano giki gikinyanirie mendekithia 13 kuri ministry ya githomo, kanjo ya igeranio, kamiti ya kwandika wira arutani TSC hamwe na honge ingi. Mendekithia maya ari hamwe na nyongerera ya mbeca cia mahuthiro ma arutwo kuma ciringi 22,000 nginyagia ciringi 30,000, nyongerera ya mbeca cia kwambatiria ngathi ya arutani, thirikari guthurima mahuthiro ma kigina mathukuru-ini, kanjo ya igeranio kuyukia wigiririki wa ukinyaniria wa mitaratara ya igeranio hamwe na mangi.
To reconsider using the Auditor General to audit schools since the school accounting staff are yet to meet the IPSAS accounting qualifications.
The other resolution is government to give more funds to the Teacher Service Commission to be able to employ more teachers, particularly to take care of the secondary sector, because at the moment we still have a shortfall, especially in specialized subjects in Group 5 and Group 4, which really require to be mitigated. And remember, this is an area which is really emphasized in the senior secondary school under the CBC curriculum.
Handuini ha KAMEME TV, gitagwo ngina wa Wadirwa.
Basic education regulation